Hello friend. Today's fresh footage shows 3 Ukrainian soldiers encountering a kamikaze drone in a forested area. They approached it and attempted to handle it with a stick, which led to an unintended detonation. From a Russian perspective, a group of individuals, reported to include Ukrainian soldiers and possibly civilians, gathered near a barbed wire fence is observed and subsequently engaged by a fiber-optic FPV drone. A strike drone operator tracks a moving target, maintaining visual contact as the individual attempts to evade by rapidly changing direction and maneuvering across the terrain. Despite these efforts, the drone continues to follow and adjust its course with precision. The engagement concludes with an accurate strike, marking the completion of the mission. A Russian FPV drone operator spots unidentified equipment inside an open garage, capturing a moment that leaves its purpose unclear. The footage does not provide enough detail to confirm what the item is, making its exact function open to interpretation. What do you think this equipment could be? A Russian fiber-optic FPV drone engages a reportedly abandoned Australia-supplied M1A1 Abrams AIM that had been deployed by Ukrainian forces during a recent counterattack on the Zaporizhzhia front. In the Sumy region, a Ukrainian Tu-22 Bodana was engaged and rendered inoperable. The system had reportedly been used by Ukrainian forces to conduct shelling operations toward the Graveron district in the Belgorod region. In the Kharkiv region, footage shows a Russian kamikaze drone targeting a group of Ukrainian soldiers gathered in the open. From above, the drone identifies the cluster and aligns its approach, closing the distance rapidly. With limited time to react, the group is caught exposed as the drone commits to the strike. With no opportunity for immediate support, a Russian FPV drone engages a Ukrainian soldier on an open road, as the situation unfolds rapidly. Objective monitoring footage captures the use of Garin 5 drones against oil and gas infrastructure in the Sumy region, providing a detailed view of how such systems are employed in extended-range operations. The material shows aerial observation of designated infrastructure sites, with operators maintaining continuous visual tracking as the drones approach their intended targets. The footage emphasizes the role of reconnaissance and monitoring in confirming positioning, timing, and overall effectiveness of the operation. These segments highlight the increasing use of long-range unmanned platforms in targeting strategic facilities, where precision and coordination are key factors. The presence of objective monitoring also reflects an effort to document and assess operational outcomes in real time. Overall, the video illustrates how drone-based systems are integrated into broader operational planning, combining surveillance and strike capabilities to influence critical infrastructure across active regions. A drone operated by the Russian 41st Motorized Rifle Brigade of the 44th Army Corps identified and engaged a Ukrainian soft-skinned vehicle on the battlefield. From above, the drone tracked the vehicle's movement and aligned its approach. With limited protection compared to armored platforms, the vehicle remained vulnerable as the drone closed the distance. Moments later, the drone committed to the strike, disabling the vehicle and halting its movement. The combat operations of drone operators from the 144th Motorized Rifle Division are shown on the Krasnolamansky axis, highlighting the growing role of unmanned systems in frontline activities. Throughout the footage, drone teams are seen conducting continuous aerial reconnaissance, identifying positions, and relaying real-time intelligence to supporting units. Their work enables coordinated responses, allowing other elements to act with greater accuracy and timing. FPV drones are deployed to track movement and carry out precision engagements against military equipment and infantry positions. Operators maintain stable control while adjusting their approach based on terrain, visibility, and target movement, ensuring effective execution of tasks. The material reflects the increasing integration of drone technology into combat operations, where surveillance, coordination, and precision engagement combine to enhance overall battlefield effectiveness. the Novopavlivka direction, operators from Ukraine's 46th Airmobile Brigade carried out aerial interception missions, effectively fishing Russian reconnaissance drones out of the sky. Using their own drones, the operators tracked enemy UAVs in real time, closing the distance and disabling them midair. These interceptions prevent enemy surveillance and reduce the effectiveness of incoming strikes. Joint combat operations involving the Rubicon unit and the Russian aerospace forces are shown targeting Ukrainian UAV command posts. The footage highlights coordinated efforts to identify, locate, and suppress drone control centers through a combination of aerial reconnaissance and precision engagement. Drone operators conduct surveillance to detect command post activity, relaying real-time intelligence to supporting aviation units. This coordination enables accurate targeting and timely responses, reducing the effectiveness of opposing unmanned systems. The involvement of aerospace assets underscores the integration of air power with ground-based drone teams, creating a layered approach to counter-UAV operations. These actions reflect the increasing focus on disrupting command and control infrastructure, which plays a critical role in managing drone activity on the battlefield. Today's video brings together the work of Russian drone operators attached to multiple operational units active within the SMO zone, offering a broad and detailed look at how unmanned systems are being used across different directions. A significant portion of the footage focuses on Operational Group South, particularly in the Kramatorsk-Druzhkovka, Konstantinovka area. Here, drone teams are shown conducting continuous reconnaissance, tracking movement, and supporting frontline coordination with real-time aerial intelligence. The sequences highlight a high operational tempo, with FPV drones playing a key role in maintaining pressure and situational awareness. The video also features segments from Operational Group North, where drone operators are engaged in monitoring activities and providing coverage across active sectors. Their role emphasizes early detection and timely information relay, supporting defensive and responsive actions on the ground. Further footage comes from Operational Group West, showcasing similar patterns of drone deployment, including surveillance missions and coordinated support for ground units. These teams demonstrate consistent use of aerial platforms to enhance visibility and operational effectiveness in their areas of responsibility. In addition, the Archangel Spetsnaza drone team is featured, bringing a more specialized approach to drone operations. Their segments highlight precision tracking, controlled maneuvering, and disciplined execution, reflecting a higher level of coordination and experience in handling FPV systems. Overall, the video provides a comprehensive view of how multiple formations operate simultaneously, integrating drone technology into a unified operational framework. It underscores the growing importance of unmanned systems in modern warfare, where reconnaissance, coordination, and precision engagement are essential to maintaining effectiveness across the battlefield.